Hello students, welcome back to your class. In previous class I have discussed 4 number question of garbage in garbage out chapter 16 from your science book, NCERT's book. So today I am going to finish the question answer of this chapter garbage in garbage out, and today I am going to discuss only 5 and 6 number question. So try to follow this question and you can write in your copy. Okay students, so let's start. Question is actually divided into 3 parts, so try to collect the information from those parts. Okay, 5 question. 1. Collect different kinds of packaging material. What was purpose for which each one was used? Discuss in groups. Okay. Second question, give an example in which packaging could have been reduced. Okay, then write a story on how packaging increased the amount of garbage. Okay, now the answer. We have to collect different type of packaging material and what is the purpose for which each one was used. Okay, so that we have to discuss in group. Here I am going to discuss the 5A answer will be different kinds of packaging materials used commonly are cardboards that are actually used in soap, then bulb and other boxes also. Then plastics bags use toys covers, sarees bag, then shopping bags, etc. Then wooden box wooden box are mainly used for food basket and boxes for hardware also. Okay, and jute bags you also know, school bags, shopping bags, and vegetable box, these all. Okay, so we have just found different kinds of packaging materials here. Now give an example in which packaging could have been reduced. So the second answer will be by reusing the packaging material we can reduce the accumulation of garbage. Okay, now see, write a story on how packaging increased the amount of garbage. As we know, the basic purpose of packaging is to protect the product from tampering and to maintain its freshness and purity. Okay. Now, however, most of the packaging material is used to beautify the boxes, then make them look attractive on themselves. Okay. So, unfortunately, a large volume of packaging material goes waste and is thrown into the dustbin. For example, in most of the places, the dustbins are full of chips, biscuit wrappers, and other things also. It is unnecessarily increase the amount of garbage in our surrounding, and it also increases the cost of product due to unnecessary packaging, and we should seriously consider how to reduce such unnecessary packaging. This is a short story about this. Okay students, so I hope you understood this. Next comes to the last question of this chapter. Do you think that it is better to use compost instead of chemical fertilizers, and why? While your online class, I have already discussed with you what is the main difference between compost and fertilizer, and I have also discussed about the difference between manure and fertilizer. Okay, now you can easily do this answer. I hope I am going to discuss this answer that I think that it is better to use compost instead of chemical fertilizer. Yes, it is better to use compost instead of chemical fertilizer for the following reason. What are the main reasons for this? Why should we? It is better. We just think that it is better to use compost instead of chemical fertilizer, as it is easy to prepare compost. A compost actually takes about 3 to 4 weeks to make. Okay. Next, compost is very environment friendly and easiest method, and as it does not cause any health issues in humans and animals. Okay, and compost will not cause any pollution. They will also increase the soil fertility where plants can grow and develop fruitfully. Then compost is biodegradable. It can be easily degraded by nature. So for these reasons, I think it is better to use compost instead of chemical fertilizer. for those following reason. Okay students, I hope you understood these questions. If you have any problem, you can ask me in the e-portal. I will help you. That's all. Thank you students. Have a nice day.